I'm in my workshop. This is my doll that I made. She looks like me. She has my real hair, and I use her in my puppet show. My pin cushion, my favorite pin cushion that I use. I love my favorite pins and don't chase pigeons. Here is my adoration of the pigeon. It's a prayer that I hand out to people for pigeons. More of my workshop. Here is the raccoon that I made because I champion all of the wildlife, not just pigeons. Here is a crown. That's the crown that I made with Flacco the owl. I don't know if you all know about Flacco, but Flacco is a famous owl that escaped from the New York Zoo. These are the pigeons that I make by hand. These are the ones that I put out for everyone to enjoy. All of the art on the wall is mostly my art. I love to teach children to not chase birds by giving them birdseed instead of chasing them. That always seems to work. Parents like it, children like it, and I just carry birdseed with me so that I can teach them that. Here I am making some pigeon beaks. And then here I am, I have pigeons that I make, the little mini pigeons. The feet are made of wire and plasti dip. Put those in there. I'm in my bedroom, which is a lot more light. So I moved to that window and I can look outside while I'm making the pigeons and I can see the pigeons flying around and it's a lot of fun for me. I also made a storybook. This is an autobiographical storybook about me and my life. I did all the illustrations. My husband, Frankie the Pigeon, did the lyrical verses. Here is the music that goes with my whole book and everything. Here is my puppet show. We've got Frankie the Pigeon, we've got Max the Rat. We perform this all around the city, teaching people, children, adults, about the city animals. And that is a lot of fun for us. Okay, here is the pigeons in the street. I place them out. The live pigeons come in. They sit still in there or they walk around in with the other ones. But this one seems to think it's a good idea to act like all the other pigeons. And that is just a lot. It's just very cute to see them do this. This is where I do most of my work. I sell outside on the streets. There's all the pigeons mixed with the live pigeons. This little pigeon is so adorable. They're all just adorable. People are like, oh, do they know? Do they know that those pigeons are? I don't, we don't know what animals know, but they seem to think they are around live pigeons. I made also some rat. As the fly priestess of the pigeon religion, one of my favorite things to do is to feed the pigeons. And this is my beautiful bird seed that I buy for them. I get 200 pounds every 10 days. I feed a flock of 300 pigeons every day as part of my pigeon religion. They wait for me outside of my apartment in Brooklyn. Then I go to the park. There's another flock waiting for me. I just really, really enjoy this part of my day. I get to have my bird feeding ceremony with them. I get to honor them and be with them for that little time in the morning. There is peace and healing when we are surrounded by nature. And in these big cities, we don't have a lot of nature. We don't have lakes and rivers and ponds. We have streets and buildings. And with the pigeons here, I feel that we do have our little paradise. This is my little paradise with them. They are always here. They're survivors. They're little New Yorkers. I always call them they're strong survivors, just like we are in these big cities. And I take a time to breathe. I say a little prayer. I get to honor them. This is all part of my pigeon religion, hoping that other people will see them and love them and honor them, at least just like them. Maybe one day love them the way that I do. I would feel that as the fly priestess of the pigeon religion, I have done my vocation. That would be an honor.